gas station there, I think? Nope. Convenience store. Alright. Whoa, dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Way too fast. Okay. Yep. There we go. Oh, shoot. I don't like this. Alright. Can't get by, so I've got to back up. Oh! Oh, shit. Alright. So that was expensive. Oh, you just backed up into somebody, too. Oh, for crying out loud! I can't do anything. The idiot turned right into me. Wow, okay. So I just lost over 10% of my... It's because that stupid guy turned right when I was turning and there wasn't room for both of us and you just like, oh, I'm turning anyways. And you hit me. Actually, no, No, I did. No, I backed into the cop car because I was trying to make room for him. And that turned out to be a bad decision. I'm really trying to decide now because I don't feel like I want to do 2 rounds. Like if I was doing a short run of this, then I'd probably want to do another like 2 short runs. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Ah! Stop! Jeez! Don't ever hire me to drive something for you. Oh my god! I only noticed like the last second that that lane was completely blocked, and thank God I was able to slow down. Whoops! I'm gonna go this way? No. Uh-oh. Am I doing something wrong? I don't know. No. I don't think I ever remember there being a lane of a highway blocked in this game before. Or like, not like that. But it has been a while since I played. Okay, can I even get through here? Oh, really? Yeah, if I try to go through there. I was gonna try to like fudge it, but... Oh, so I should have taken the other one. Because this is not gonna... Oh, this is gonna suck. This is really gonna suck. Why are there cops everywhere? I have never seen this before in this game. Not that I can remember. Oh my god, no. You've got to be kidding me. What are you telling me to do? Oh my god. Are you serious? What? That's ridiculous. This game is too real. Well, not quite, but it has its moments. What's gonna happen? That is such a friggin' stupid detour. Am I going this way? Apparently. Alright. This way. Alright. Alright. So far, so good. So, Happy Dead Pixel, let's put up a vote. What game should I... Is it this one? I think it's, yes, this one. What game should I play next? I'm thinking either NHL 21 or Control. I think Control is going to be a little bit more challenging and frustrating. But at the same time, I do feel like I need to give it more of a try. Or Hockey, which... See, again, look at this. What? I don't understand. I can't go through here. I can't go through here. What am I supposed to do? Should I try and go through here? You know what? I got no choice. Holy heck. Am I actually gonna pull this off? No, I don't think so. What? I don't understand. What am I supposed to do here? Like, I literally... Can I get around this? Like... Okay. This is absolutely ridiculous, but I'm gonna try. Nope. I apparently cannot. Maybe? No. Maybe? Nope. Differential lock. Okay, I have to like try to maneuver my trailer like somehow. This is unfreaking believable. I don't even know if I can finish this friggin' delivery. Come on. I think I'm gonna have to abandon this. Like, I literally cannot go through here, and the detour just brings me right back here, so I don't know what I am supposed to do. I can't get around this. Or can I? Oh. Oh, hold on. Okay, hold on. I'm almost there. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You the little trailer that could. Come on. I'm moving. Like, not? Oh, there we go. Okay, I definitely have to clip that part later. I can't believe I just did that. And it didn't give me a ticket. There's two friggin' like state troopers standing right there, and I was like, am I gonna get a like fine for this? Cause I'm like running over their barricade? No. What? Okay, I'm glad I didn't give up now, but I was very, very close. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. Now what? Oh, can I get past this? What are you doing? How can you give me a friggin' route that I can't even do? I can go around this. Oh wait, that's a helicopter. Can I get around that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I hope I never have to do that again. Jeez. Oh. I have never seen something like that in this game before. That was absurd. So this comes back to originally, there was two ways I could have gone, and I went with the like more straightforward one instead of the one that the other truck ahead of me went, because it looked like it was not the way I should go. And then I got trapped in this whole damn thing. Maybe, I don't know, if I'd gone the other way originally, maybe that would have helped. I'm guessing the chat is a little bit delayed. But yes, I just drove past a helicopter. Okay, I gotta slow down.